Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Well, today I want to show you what I'm packing in my hospital bag. I'm currently 37 weeks and 5 days, so I could basically pop anytime now. So I wanted to show you everything that I'm packing up here. So first off, I'm going to start with what I'm packing for myself. So I have just my roll-on suitcase that I have here, my carry-on. The first thing that I have here is a nightgown. I wanted to pack stuff that was easy to throw on and easy for me to also breastfeed. So I got this nightgown from Shein. I know at the hospital they'll have nightgowns for you to wear, but I'm looking to just be a little bit more comfortable. So that is why I'm packing this. And then I also got a robe from Shein as well. And this is the robe that I'll be wearing on top of that. I've heard that some hospitals can be super cold, so it's good to have just an extra layer. And then I also got this bra. It's a nursing bra, but I may have got it too small because I wasn't considering how much more engorged I was going to be afterwards. But this one, it snaps in the front, so it's a lot easier to nurse. But we'll see if this thing can fit me. I don't even know if this could fit me right now. This looks really small. May not be bringing this. I have some really comfy socks. And then I also labeled what I have inside of these bags. So in case I ask my husband to grab stuff for me, he knows exactly what I'm talking about. So in this one, I have another nursing dress. So let me show you this nursing dress. And I got this one from Amazon. I know it's all black because I've heard you want to wear darker colors after giving birth, just in case you bleed. So this one is a nursing dress, and it also has easy access to breastfeeding. So just a dress. And then I also have another nursing bra that I got off of Amazon. This one has a lot better fit. But this is also not only a nursing bra, so it clips right here. Let me show you the clips. Snaps on here and then snaps right off. But you can also use this as a pumping bra as well. So within the holes here, you're able to put your pump. So it's a pump and a nursing bra all in one. Let me show you here. And this is from Amazon. And I got this one in a size large. Although we'll see how much bigger I'm going to be after I give birth. And then also I have just samples of nursing pads that I'm putting inside of this bag as well, just in case I do leak. I'm able to have easy access to that. And I know that your milk doesn't usually come in until 2 to 3 days after you're in the hospital, but safe than sorry. So, and I have them all in these little bags here just to make it easier to organize. And then I also brought a sleeping mask. I've heard sometimes at the hospital, every birth is a little bit different, but you may want to get some rest in between, I have no idea, in between your contractions, or maybe if you're not dilated enough, or after you give birth, people are going to be coming in and out of your room. So just a face mask, because I need to have it pitch black dark for me to rest easy. So bringing this. And then I also brought here my Haakaa. So this is the Haakaa. It's 100% silicone. It is a hands-free manual breast pump. Essentially, the way you use this, I'll just show y'all. Put it like this. Insert it onto your boob. Release it and it'll stick on to your nipple. And this is good to get any of the letdown from one breast. Maybe I can store some colostrum while I'm there. We'll see. But I'm bringing this just in case. I'm a first-time mom and I have no idea. I'm also bringing my own Peri bottle, and I showed this in my postpartum essentials, but my own Peri bottle for after I give birth. If I give birth, vaginal birth. And then I've labeled this bag as well too, so that if I'm asking for anything, excuse me, my husband knows what to grab. So in this one I have the Earth Mama organic nipple butter. I have the Earth Mama perennial spray. So this is essentially something I'm going to just bring right into the bathroom with me. And then I also have the Tux pads. Let me see, I haven't even opened this. Yeah, I haven't opened it yet. I'll open it when I'm there. But I have it all listed on this bag, so if I need it or if I need someone to help me grab it, they know exactly where to find it. Along with those, I have it in a different spot here, but I did bring the wonderful diapers. So I'm bringing 3. I think I'll possibly bring more, but I know at the hospital they give you the mesh underwear with the pads. So I think at first I'll go ahead and wear those, and then afterwards I'll go ahead and put on the underwear. And then with the underwear, I'll go ahead and line it with the Tux pads. You can see this underwear here. Just for relief after I give birth. So here's the sexy underwear. You guys know. Y'all know. It's not about being sexy, it's about being comfortable. And then for my going home outfit, I have just super easy to throw on sports bra and an extremely loose fitting set that I got from Aerie. This is one of my most comfortable sets. I'm probably gonna give birth in March, I'm hoping. So it's still winter here. So I have this guy and this super comfortable, easy to throw on, no fuss outfit that I'll be wearing. I'm just gonna throw everything here because I'm gonna refold everything. I'm also bringing a towel. And along with that towel, I don't know if I'm going to take a shower there or not. I don't know. But I am bringing my hairbrush, toothbrushes for my husband and I, toothpaste. I have my contact solution, a scrunchie. I'm going to also throw this scrunchie in there. Hand sanitizer, Vaseline. I heard your lips get really, really chapped. And then I also need to add in, here we go, my facial moisturizer. And then I'm also gonna bring a all-in-one shampoo and body wash. But that's something that I need to get in the travel section at Walmart or Shoppers Drug Mart. So that's something that I need to remember to pack as well. And let me just see if I have anything else here before I move on to the baby. And then I have a shirt for my husband, and I'm gonna get him sweatpants. I don't have in here right now, but I'm also gonna be bringing this headband and some slippers to bring in as well. And also a jug with a straw that I heard is very, very important. Obviously my phone and my charger will be coming as well. And then some snacks. So for snacks that I've already pre-packed, I have some chips here. I have some dried fruit, some dried apricots. I have chocolate covered pretzels. And I also have some granola bars. So depending on how long we'll be there or how quickly I need to go to the hospital, I also want to bring pineapple juice and some fresh cut melons and a couple sandwiches. So that's stuff that I'll have to pre-make or make when my water breaks. I don't know yet, but we'll figure that out as far as it comes to snacks, and a lot more water. So I'll bring a little cooler with some water and some of our fresh food inside of it. So that's what I have for moi. For the baby, I am bringing baby wipes, Vaseline. When that first poop comes, I heard it's really sticky. I got this Huggies newborn diapers, and there's 16 in here, which I'm hoping will be enough. I think it will be enough. So I have their diapers, wipes, Vaseline, and then I have a crocheted hat that my mom made. I have some gloves for the baby. And then I'm bringing, let me see here, just a regular onesie, a short sleeve onesie, a long sleeve sleeper, and these are, let me see here, I'm bringing 1 to 3 month, and the rest are newborn. So this is a newborn. This one is newborn, and this one is newborn. So sleepers essentially are what I'm bringing for the baby, and that's one with buttons, one with zippers, or 2 with zippers. So 3, 4, 5 different outfits for the baby. And we don't know if we're having a boy or girl, so that's why it's all just neutral. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 outfits for the baby. And then I'm also bringing 2 burp cloths and 2 muslin swaddles / blankets for the baby too. And then obviously we'll be bringing the car seat, and I have a blanket that goes inside of the car seat. And that's about it. That's all I'm going to be packing for the hospital. I didn't want to bring too much. I know a lot of people bring their blankets and their pillows and all that other stuff, but I just didn't want to bring too much because 1, COVID, and 2, I'm a first-time mom, so I have no idea what I'm doing. So that is it. That's all that I have for my hospital bag right now. I hope this gave you guys some ideas on what to bring, and if you're pregnant, I wish you a beautiful, beautiful pregnancy and a safe labor and delivery. And if you're watching this channel, I appreciate it. So you guys have a good day, and I'll see you soon. Bye.